Hey, this is Jesse with Revved Up SEO. Hope your day's going good. As promised, this is a video that I'm going to make for you to kind of highlight some things that can be done to your website today, and in turn start helping those rankings on the Google searches. So first and foremost, we have your website here pulled up, and overall, it's got a pretty good vibe. You know, it's got a little bit about us and what you do. It's got your befores and afters that people can see your quality of work and whatnot. And then you even got a little contact form down here, which is great. But when it comes to optimizing it to get found on Google searches, there's three things that Google's going to search for on your website. And it's going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So first of all, content is anything that you can highlight on the web page and even down to how you save a picture. So I just went ahead and selected your whole homepage right here, plugged it into a word counter, and you're only sitting at 232 words. Overall, Google wants to see at least 1,500 words, and that's a real good solid foundation. There's going to be websites with less that are ranking, but 1,500 really sets a solid foundation and makes you kind of authoritative. But what you want is certain keywords inside this content, which makes it authoritative. So with that being said, I have a tool over here. It's called Ahrefs, and this website allows me to plug in your website and shows me how you're doing on the back end of things. So we talked about content, and now we're going to talk about backlinks. So a backlink is any website that has your link to your website on theirs. So their website's essentially pointing back to yours. They're not all created equal. You got good, you got spammy, and then you got some decent ones that aren't hurting you, but they're not helping you. And we'll go into that in a little bit more detail with one of your competitors. And then what I was saying about your content being authoritative and having some keywords in it, you're not being found for any keywords right now. So whenever somebody plugs landscapers in Las Cruces, New Mexico into Google, your website's not going to get pulled up at all. So with that being said, I went ahead and did that. Landscaping, Las Cruces, New Mexico. The first guys up here is Extreme Landscaping. So this is their website. We'll plug them into this word counter real quick. So they're sitting at 338. So they're ranking, but they don't really have a great solid foundation on their homepage. But this is where they're getting their power from. So like I said, backlinks, after content, backlinks is going to be the real power. We call it link juice, but essentially it's like the power after content. So these guys have 65 backlinks, but they're ranking for 86 keywords. So if we go in here to the keywords, my internet hurries up. All right. So you can say that landscaping Las Cruces is getting 250 search volume. So all search volume means is how many times a month this keyword is being found. So you can see right here, 250 times. Then you change it up to Las Cruces, New Mexico, 100 times. Extreme landscaping, that's just people searching for their business directly, but it's getting some searches. Las Cruces landscaper, 90. So as you can tell, people are searching for landscaping business inside Las Cruces. And being found for these keywords is going to really help you a lot. Then we'll go into, I plugged in Brainerd's greenscapings as well. And obviously you can tell they don't have as much content either, but they have 39 backlinks and 39 keywords. They're essentially being found for the same keywords. Extreme landscaping is just being found for a little bit more. So essentially to get ahead of these guys with backlinks, you want to either go for as much backlinks as they have, but only the quality ones, and then essentially one up them with more. And then that'll give you a good solid foundation to stay ahead of them and then continually add on to that. So the last thing we're going to talk about is citations. So a citation is anytime your business name address and phone number is listed anywhere. So that's going to be like your directories, like Yelp and whatnot. The more you have, the better. And there's another tool that I use that kind of gives me a layout of where all your competitors are. I'm not going to pull that up right now because it'll just be a lot of information and carry this video longer than what it needs to be. But having those citations and beating your competitors, just like the backlinks, going after as many as they have and more, that's going to help you right here. Um, and also having your business ranked in this first page is going to help you get in the top 3 on this map pack as well. I did notice that you do have a map pack, and that is good. It just has to be a little bit more optimized, and it'll help you in here. But with that being said, I hope you found this video a little bit informative. If you have any questions, feel free to get back to me. Um, Anything like that. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. If you need help, let me know. We'll get on a call and I can do what I can. Thank you. Hope you have a good day.